How you doing? This is Michael Zippity Dude over at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa. Take a look at this new EV6. This is the 2022 EV6 all-electrical vehicle. Amazing, okay? You have to order these cars. We have one in stock. This will be the last one we have in stock till December or January of this year. Take a look inside. Beautiful vegan leather, two-tone, full touchscreen dash, heated and cooled seats, QI charger for your phone, literally everything that you could want. This is a GT line, so it has the carbon fiber look on the dash. Come check out how much room is in back of this car. Not only do you have the smart lift gate, it starts beeping when I come back here, it'll open automatically for you. You got a ton of room. You can drop these seats from back here and haul around big screen TVs or anything. I've had a Kia Stinger. This is more room in the back of here than a Kia Stinger. So if you're ready for the all-electrical EV6 and you're sick of going to the gas station, call, text, drive, email, whatever you need to do. Come see Michael Zippity Dude over at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa, 414-202-8517.